All right, and welcome to Tuesday. Today we are doing a Google Form assignment. It is pretty easy. Basically, you'll have these throughout the year, so it's good to kind of learn the format. At the intro of your document, please always read through all of the directions. The reason we set these up is it's a great way for us to give you information and then kind of test you on the information and give you different questions to help you understand what you just read or whatever resource you just looked at. So for this beginning one, you have not very much reading at all. And then a careful study of this map will be helpful. You hit next. Please put in your first and last name. I guess I can put in my first name too. No name, no grade, so for the love of anything, please put your name in there. And then what hour you have me. Shouts out to first, I'll just put you on there. And then you go about answering the questions best you can. It is set up where they do give you feedback on questions that you got wrong, so look for that. And also, if you feel like you want to get all of these right, we want you to know all of this information. So we really want you to know like these basic skills so we can build off of them when we actually are in person and going through our regular content. So read through that intro information very carefully, but also if you feel like you're really struggling on these, feel free to look up the answers. That will not always be the case with class. A lot of times we will say do not look up the answers, but for this assignment, we really just want you to know that base information. So please read carefully, look through your resources carefully, and if you don't get a question right, it will show you and it will give you some feedback. So look through that and shoot for 100%.